Good morning, Hoover High School. Today is Friday, February 28th. I'm Elise, your lead anchor.
And I'm Asante, your co-anchor.
Free math tutoring. If you're struggling with the homework or concepts, we can help. Please bring your book, any homework assignments, questions, and a positive attitude. Also, please bring your school ID. It's with the Academy Prep and High School Math students at John R. Grubb Community YMCA, 1611 11th Street, Des Moines, on Sunday afternoons from 1 p.m. to 3 p.m., beginning Sunday, March 8th. If you have any questions, please contact David at 515-229-3277. Volunteers are needed for Hoover's first annual fundraiser called the Husky Soiree on Saturday night, February 29th, to help serving guests or to perform a talent, song, or dance. Please sign up with Ms. Crutelli on her door, room 1145.
Seniors, please come to the registrar's office and check the spelling of your name on your diploma.
The Prairie Meadows Scholarship of $2,500 will be awarded to 2 Hoover seniors. The application is due to your counselor on Monday, March 2nd at 3:25. Remember, you need 2 letters of recommendation. The Rotary Club Scholarship of $8,000 will be awarded to 1 Hoover senior, and it is due March 6th. The IB Diploma program is open to 10th graders interested in taking courses in 11th and 12th grade that can earn them college credit and perhaps the internationally recognized IB Diploma. If you are interested in learning more about the IB Diploma program at Hoover, please stop by Mr. Van Vliet's office in room 2094 inside the counseling office as soon as possible. You can also talk with your counselors about the IB Diploma program. Mr. Van Vliet will try to get to every 10th grade Husky time before spring break to make sure all interested students get a chance to find out more about the program. If you or your parents have any questions, you can also email Mr. Van Vliet at benjamin.vanvliet@dnschools.org.
All boys who plan to play soccer in the spring should have all of their paperwork turned into the athletic office and have a current physical on file by Friday, March 6th, in order to be able to try out and practice March 16th.
There will be a mandatory meeting for all boys soccer players on Thursday, March 5th from 3:30 to 4 in the cafeteria. Game schedules, practice schedules, and tryouts will be discussed, as well as equipment and expectations. Please see Coach Ravino with questions. For lunch, we have French bread pizza with marinara sauce, ham scallop potatoes with cheesy roll, breaded chicken breast sandwich, cheeseburger on bun, yogurt box, savory carrots, fresh veggies, chilled pineapple, and raisins. And happy birthday to Emma Miley, Christian Buezo, Apo Thabo, Aiden Dyer, and Ruiz Geronimo.
Make it a great day, Hoover.
Be a positive change and remember the Hoover way.